property maintenance is easily the most unpredictable and stressful factor of a real estate investment. A single broken pipe can quickly result in thousands of dollars in unexpected expenses, angry tenants, unit vacancies, and an endless back and forth with the property manager. It drains your time, your money, and your patience. That changes today. Our team of experienced real estate investors, tech leaders, and data experts recognize this problem as a cash killer for property owners and managers alike, and saw it as an opportunity to revolutionize this industry. Introducing Home 365, an all-inclusive property maintenance subscription service and AI-powered platform built to provide a more predictable ROI, maximize revenue, and increase your property value. What we do. Our all-inclusive maintenance packages provide timely, cost-effective service for a flat monthly fee that's tailored to each property, offering you a higher, more predictable ROI and saving you up to 30% on annual maintenance costs. All Home 365 packages include on-demand breakdown service, proactive maintenance, and even tenant turnover services. Our AI-powered platform and app streamlines the process of reporting an incident and dispatching a certified professional to fix the problem, improving tenant satisfaction and maximizing your revenue by reducing vacancy rates. Our app also empowers you and your property manager to track the property's systems, maintenance projects, and overall condition. With detailed data on every project, we ensure transparent, quality service you can trust. Here's how it works. Once a maintenance issue is reported or identified, a tenant or a member of your property management team simply submits a video of the issue through our app. Our algorithms analyze the data and information from the video, and then we dispatch the appropriate service professional to the property. Every aspect of the project is tracked, documented, and recorded via the app, including all communications, material used, and hours worked. Our app analyzes every detail of the process, enabling our algorithms to become more efficient and intelligent with each project. No more urgent calls from your property manager regarding unexpected expenses. We take care of everything, and it's all covered by your monthly, flat-fee subscription. That's it. Simple, transparent, and cost-effective. Your investment should be an asset, not a burden. It's time that you have more profits, less hassle, and a predictable ROI. Get a quote today. Home 365, revolutionizing property maintenance.